What do you want?
Hi. I like what you do at the crib. My printer, it got like all this crap on. I'm not sure how it did. I think some paint got on it. It's like, I think the ink might be messed up or something.
Okay.
You got it? Like when I try to print, like the paper comes out with nothing on it. I mean, it works fine, but I don't know. It's just big inside.
Yeah, I think I know how to fix it. You're gonna have to leave me alone for a second.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yep. Let's see what we got here.
Okay. Hey, how's it going? Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, thank you. Bye. What is... One egg? You destroyed my printer.
Give me one egg right now, bitch.
I have
no.
one. My grandma got...
I don't do that. No. You got a big can of ass whooping. Get out my egg. Bitch. Everything's good.